The next census in India will be taken in 16 languages. The World Children's Day observed every year on 20th November. When is the Africa Industrialization Day observed? 20th November. Who has been named the PETA India's Person of the Year of in 2019? Virat Kohli. What is the theme of 2019 World Children's Day 2020, which is celebrated on 20th November? Children's for today, our keepers tomorrow. Which city has become the India's first city to install the third Ampere RT-PCR machine? Kolkata. Kolkata. What is the theme of 2019 World Toilet Day? Leaving no one behind. Which state government has launched the virtual classes project Uttarakhand? Which state government has launched the virtual classes project Uttarakhand? What is the India's rank at 2019 Global Bravery Risk Index? 78th. Which state government has launched the Nadu Nedu program? Andhra Pradesh. Who sworn in as new Prime Minister of Sri Lanka? Mahendra Rajapaksa. Which state launched the Nadu Neda scheme 16 EM EBM in state-run school? Andhra Pradesh. Who names as the Global Football Development Chief of FIFA? Arsene Wenger. Who appointed as AP State Chief Secretary? Neelam Sawhney. Who won the BRICS Young Innovators Prize 2019? Ravi Prakash. Who won the India's first gold at 2019 ISSF World Cup? Manu Bhaker. Who won the presidential election of Sri Lanka? Gotabaya Rajapaksa, and he is the brother of the president of Sri Lanka, is Mahendra Rajapaksa. Who were the conferred with ANR International Award in 2018 Sri Devi and 2019 in Rekha. Who took oath as the Chief Justice of Jharkhand High Court? Ravi Ranjan. Who sworn in as Chief Justice of Tripura High Court? Akil Abdul Hamid Qureshi. Who topped the list of Fortune's Business Person of the Year 2019? Satya Nadella. Who became the longest serving PM of Japan? Sunjo Abe. Where was the world's first Muslim yoga camp? Uttarakhand. When is the World Fishery Days observed? 21st November. The Good Air Summit GAS 2019 has been organized under which theme? Making India Breathe. Which state government has decided to organize 2019 World Kabaddi Cup? Punjab. Which Indian sprinter has been listed in the time or 20, in the time 100 next? Duti Chand. The Time magazine headquarters at New York. When is World Television Day observed? 21st November. When is the World Philosophy Day observed in the year? 21st November. 21st November, 3rd Thursday Day. Who awarded the International Children's Peace Prize? Greta Thunberg. Name the bodybuilder who crowned the Mr. Universe 2019. Chitras Nathesan. Who is the first ever woman pilot for Indian Navy? Lieutenant Shivangi. Which country has successfully conducted the first night trial in Agni 2 of Agni 2? India. Which state police bags third prize for response to emergency among 500 force? Uttar Pradesh. Who has won the 2019 Doodle for Google competition in India? Divyanshi Singhal. Who will be the chief guest at India's Republic Day celebration in 2020? Jair Bolsonaro, President of Brazil. Which state has observed at the Sandvik from November 14th November to 21st November? Andhra Pradesh. In which city India's first elephant memorial was built? Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. Which place does India have in recently realized the Global Terrorism Index? 7th out of 10. Which cricket stadium hosted the India's first ever pink ball day-night test? Eden Garden, Kolkata. Who won the Who won the India's first gold at ISF World Cup 2019? Manu Bhaker. The India ranked in 2019 numerous food vulnerability index is 44th. Which team wins the Davis Cup 2019? Spain. India to host SEO Forum for Young Scientists and Innovators in 2020. The Shanghai Festival 2019 began at Manipur. Who crowned as the Mr. Universe 2019? Chitra Naresh Natsen. India will be conducting the bilateral military exercise hand in hand with which country? China. Which state has decided to provide 5% reservation for its athletes in the government job? Madhya Pradesh. Which state has launched the immunization campaign against the filaria? Uttar Pradesh. The Oxford Dictionary named a word of as its 2019 Word of the Year is climate emergency. Where did the Global Bio India Summit 2019 held? New Delhi. Which state is the top ranked state in Swachh Surakshan Grameen 2019 award? Tamil Nadu. Who awarded India's first Quality Ratna award? Suresh Krishna. Who awarded the 28th Bihari Puruskar for 2018? Manisha Kulsetra. Who won the 27th Eklavya Award for 2019? Jhili Dalabhera. Which Indian journalist is received in Intel Press Freedom Award? Neha Dikshit. Which state launched a citizen helpline 14400 for corruption related complaint? Andhra Pradesh. The union government decided to merge which UTs? Daman and Diu and Dadar Nagar Haveli. Who became the first Indian bowler to take the 5 wickets haul in a pink ball? Isant Sharma. Who is to be first chief of defence staff? Bipin Rawat. The 47th All India Police Science Congress began in Lucknow. The DEFCON India 2019 seminar commenced at New Delhi. The 8th WATEC Water Technology and Environment Control Conference 2019 held in Israel. Who takes oath as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra? Uddhav Thackeray. And the Governor of the Maharashtra is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Which state is hosting the New Gain Mobility Summit 2019? Haryana. India have how many? India have how many after merge UTs? 8. Which state government? Which state is going to set up the first vulture conservation center? Uttar Pradesh. Who designed the logo for the Lokpal? Prashant Mishra. Which company became the first Indian firm to hit the 10 lakh crore market valuation mark? Reliance Industry. Who is the author of the book Hemant Kakre, A Daughter's Memories? Joy Nare. Thank you.